It has been the plan of this Zionist entity to wipe out the people of Gaza as a whole. They didn't care about wiping out, even if it means killing all. They have been carrying out genocide for about 2 years now, and they don't care about the atrocities they are committing. Apart from killing with their own army, they are killing with the drones and aeroplanes. They have destroyed all the homes, and then now they have employed a weapon which has hitherto been not unknown even in the history of this world. That is hunger. That one also did not, they continue to fulfill atrocity, and they don't see any result in their paper. So they are thinking now of taking a different steps. Why not evict the people? They have already planned with the neighbors not to carry them. So they are thinking of taking them somewhere else. The idea is they want the land. They want the resources under the ground, particularly the gas reserve. That's what they want. They don't care about the people. But the land belongs to the people. These Zionists, they came from somewhere and occupied the land that is not theirs. And they are trying to remove the people who belong to the area. And that's why when there's any upheaval, these Zionists, they start to flee because they don't belong to the area. But the Palestinians will not go anywhere. This idea of evicting the Palestinians from their own land will never succeed. The land belongs to the Palestinians from sea to the river, and it will continue to be theirs and theirs forever. Zionist settlers, either they accept the reality, or one day they will also get out in the same way they came.
Thank you so much, Sheikh. Regarding to the issue of disarming Lebanon, a plan believed to be from Israel, what is your opinion?
Yeah, these people think that the power of resistance is up. But as says Nasara Mataya, may Allah have mercy upon him, said that their weapon and their power does not lie in the weapon. It relies on their belief, the belief in the messenger of Allah and the support of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They can never be able to remove the arms from the people, because the people are determined to defend their own country. They want to turn Lebanon just like to another West Bank, where there is what they call a government which they can do nothing. The government of Mahmoud Abbas, they want to turn it to like a Lebanon like that. But Lebanon will never be like that, because the people of Lebanon are solely behind the resistance, because they know that they owe their existence to the resistance. The resistance is that they are the one defending the land. The government is just there, and the army is there. Just they can only say they have condemned, verbal condemnation. That is all. But those who defend the land are the resistance. Call them anything, Hezbollah. They are the ones defending the land, and no power on earth can remove their arms from their hands. And any attempt will show them that they will face the whole people of Lebanon, and the Lebanese people also, they have the support of other people in the same way as the Palestinians have the support of the whole Lord behind them. And by the grace of our Lord, they can never be able to subdue Lebanon.